how to turn on or turn off app protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here. So click on device care. Now here, so scroll down and click on app protection. So after click on app protection, so first of all you will see scanning phone. So after scanning phone you will see scanning phone is done on 60%. So you will see. So if you want to turn on app protection, so turn on this button. So you will see app protection is turned on. So if you want to turn off app protection, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see app protection is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off app protection from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off app protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.